Hi guys, welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights, and today we're gonna make some spinach with pork tails or pigtails and spinach, and it's a simple dish. The pigtails, which are salted pigtails, we have to boil those out a couple of times to get some of the salt out, to get most of the salt out of it. So we're gonna start that process. And in the meantime, we're just going to wash and prepare our spinach, and we'll get this dish going. Spinach with pork tails. As you can see, I've just opened a brand new bucket of pork tails. We're going to get some pork tails out of it. I have my spinach already washed and have my seasonings over there, my green seasoning over there. So you'll just get some pork tails out. Let's get a few pieces, and we're gonna cut them a little smaller. They're handsome. Oh, they're so fresh, wonderfully fresh pork tails here. This is a Canadian product. It's a wonderful Canadian product. Pigtails. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. That should be good enough, because I have to cut them also. Oh, just one more. Cool. So we'll cut these up, get them into a pot with some boiling water, and change the water a few times as they boil. Look for that joint. So before adding our spinach, we'll saute the onions and the carrots that I'm going to put in there. Just let them wilt for a while. Just give them about a minute and a half. And then we'll add our pigtails and let those get a nice little flavoring with the onions and the other seasonings that we're going to put in there. So let the onions work for a while, and we'll be back. For the onions, I'll just add a tablespoon of my green seasoning. Just to add some added flavor. And the green seasoning is just shallot and celery and some hot peppers and onion. Everything just blended together. Add some complete seasoning. And just let it work. Once we have our onions are nice and wilted, add the pigtails. Add a little more seasoning to this. And I want to give it some color, so I'll just add a little bit of sweet soy sauce just for a little color. Let this all work for a minute, and we'll be back to add the spinach. This has worked for a while, so let's put our spinach in. Try to settle it down here a little. Cover it. And give it a chance to release its liquid. So we've wilted. Just give it a stir. It has released some liquid. Let's just give it a taste. Very good. I'll just add another teaspoon of green seasoning. Some complete seasoning, and I think I'll just add a little bit of bullion powder. Just a little bullion powder here, just to enhance it. And we're done. I'm just going to cover this and let it simmer for a minute. Get all the flavors infused. And we're done. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. And enjoy these simple dishes. Spinach with pork tails. The spinach with the pigtails is served up with some lime rice and some tomato. Enjoy. Bon appetit.